my thoughts running inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be fighting, cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to be better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can use the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stay. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stay. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. Really never promised to change, something stay the same. Wanted to better, wanted to be something stay the same.